Hey everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Uconnect. Before we start, I do want to mention this should be your last resort. Always try to do a soft reset or disconnect your battery, leave it unplugged for about 10 minutes, then connect the battery back up before you do this. I did reset my unit, and the problem I ran into was I did do an update on my maps and I lost that update. So if you have any updates that you manually did, it's gone. You're going to have to repurchase those maps. So please keep that in mind before doing the factory reset. Okay, that being said, to factory reset your unit, you could start the car or just put on the auxiliary. Power button on your Uconnect. Now we're going to hit the menu, radio, and media button all at the same time. So menu, radio, media, press and hold. You're going to get this. This is the service mode. We're going to go to page 2. Now you're going to go to option number 8, PND. Right there. And now third one from the bottom, restore factory default. You're going to click on it. Keep in mind, guys, this does take a while, 5 to 10 minutes. Anyhow, that's how you do it. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.